Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to teach you how to activate the sensitive content on your X account, which used to be called Twitter. So let's get started. Click the X app. This is mine. And then click your little profile picture up in the corner, up in the top left-hand corner. And then you're going to scroll down to Settings and Support. Click the little arrow. And then you're going to click Settings and Privacy. Now you're going to click Privacy and Safety. And then you're going to click Your Posts. And now it says Make media you post as containing material that may be sensitive. And now when you post content that might be too sensitive for other accounts, it won't show them it. They'll have to consent. So you click it on, then you go back, and now it's on. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you in any way, please like and subscribe. Thanks.